If your microphone isn't working in FL Studio, there are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, let's check if the problem is with FL Studio or your device settings. Open any web browser and search for a mic test. Click on one of the results, usually the first one, and look for an option like Check My Microphone. Allow the site to access your microphone, then speak into it. If you see a graph or indicator reacting to your voice, your microphone is working fine. If nothing happens, the issue might be in your device settings. Next, on Windows, click the small microphone icon on your taskbar to open the microphone privacy settings. Here, make sure that microphone access is enabled for your system and that FL Studio or your browser has permission to use it. Another step is to verify that your microphone is selected as the input device. In Windows, search for Sound Mixer in the Start menu and open the settings. Under Input Device, make sure your microphone is chosen. If it's not listed, try unplugging and plugging it back in or restarting your computer. If the microphone still isn't working in FL Studio, open FL Studio and go to the top menu. Click on Options, then select Audio Settings. In the Input and Output Devices drop-down, try selecting different RCO devices one at a time. Sometimes the default settings don't pick the correct device, so experimenting here can help. In the same audio settings, click the Show RCO Panel button. When the panel opens, look for an input box and make sure your microphone is selected. Once that's done, go to FL Studio's Mixer panel. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Input 1, then speak into your microphone. If it's working, you'll see green bars moving up and down in the Mixer panel. These steps should help you figure out and fix why FL Studio isn't recognizing your microphone. Thanks for watching.